Got to love ya, got to love ya, yeah, got to love ya, 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 baby, got to love ya, got to love ya, got to love ya, got to love ya.
Okay, wedding party is this Saturday still at 11.
Grown-ups, no children, this your boy, Fire Dankabo.
This is a reminder for the epic wedding ACS party.
Epic this Saturday in Reading.
It's done by, okay, basically all you need to know, it's done by the ACS and they did Vogue, and Vogue was so much work. It's at Reading, it's on Saturday, this Saturday in 2 days, and the weather's great still, so everyone should be there. I'm gonna be there hopefully, so we're gonna have so much fun.
And I'm sending a shout out to y'all all chilling and popping bottles right there at the main spot, Reading. Keeping the night epic, and that's all thanks to ACS and the main man himself, Ahmed Sani Gargita. Hope to see you all down at the spot.
Going down on the 10th of December, that's on Saturday. It's going to be live at East West Bar. It's going to be a rave. It's going to be madness, I'm telling you. Anyway, like if you're not there, you are dawdling. Like, what are you doing that you're not going for that party? Seriously. Anyway, peace out. We're checking out, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for
Reading, done by the Reading ACS people. And there should be loads of people there. So DJ Olu, DRB, and some other people. It should be good, it should be fun, it should be really good. So come through, have some fun, because it's gonna be epic.